So this is the image I'm going to use. So now select the type tool, left click, select the type tool. The font I'm using is Déjà Vu. The style book, the size 600, I'm going to use the blue color. Left click and now type your text. And now select the move tool. And now I'm just going to center my text here on the image. So here it is. And now in order to blend this text here with the wall, right click on the text, select blending options. And now go down to the blend if here, select the gray. And now we are going to move the sliders here of the background. So this will reveal the wall layer or the layer under the active, this one here. So this will reveal the wall layer according to its brightness. So as you can see from this slider here, you have the black areas here, gray areas, and then white areas. It's kind of shadows, midtone, and highlights. So for example, if I move these handles here to the right, so for example they are on the black areas, it will reveal the black areas here. So now I'm going to select the zoom tool, left click. So I'm going to exit this one, left click. So here it is. Right click on the text layer, blend the options. Go down to blend if, and now I'm going to move these handles here of the background. So as you can see, if I move them to the right, so here as you can see the black areas here are showing of the wall layer, this one here. So now I'm going to move them to the gray, it will show the gray. So here I'm just going to drag them, left click, hold, and then drag. So here it is, it's showing more of the gray areas here. And now as you can see, it's starting to mask all our text here, to revealing all the layer under the text layer, which is the wall. So if I move them to the right all the way, so here it is, you can't see the text, it is under. So if I move them, so here it is. So the same thing for this one. So since for this one it will start with the bright areas or the white areas, so I'm going to move these handles here, hold, and then left click. So just drag them to the left. So here as you can see, the layer here, the wall layer, is masking our text. So like this, it's being revealed. And now I'm going to move it. So these are the gray areas like this here. And now if I move it here, so we have still some blue areas here on the dark parts here. So now we just need to adjust the blending. So I'm just going to move this slider here on the dark areas here to the right. So until I get the effect I want. So here like this. So I'm revealing some of the cracks here of the wall. And now I'm going to move this handle here to the left. So now it is revealing the wall layer on the bright areas here. So like this. So here it is. And now if you want a smoother transition, hold the Alt key to split the handle. You can either use it for this one or this one. So hold the Alt key and then left click and then drag this one here to the left. So hold the Alt key and then drag. So here it is. Like this. You can also split this one here. Just hold the Alt key and then drag to the right or left for this one. I'm going to drag to the right. So like this. So now I'm just going to leave it like this and now just press OK.